everybody, it's your girl Merkin and welcome back to my channel. It's been like 30 days since I posted my last video. Okay, so welcome back. But basically this video is just going to be how I install my clip-ins. You see, this is True Glory hair. It's 22-inch loose body wear. Oh my god, it's like so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And y'all don't know that this hair is actually not in its original state. When I got the hair, it was like dark brown and my hair was black at the time, but I wore it, it was fine. Then when I bleached my hair, I bleached my clip-ins, my weaves. So I actually just dyed my hair back black and I dyed my clip-ins back black. And to believe it or not, like they're super soft. Like you wouldn't even be able to tell that there is any damage, which there isn't any damage. But yeah, so we're gonna jump right into the video. I guess I'm gonna do a voiceover and let y'all know during the video how I really install them, since it's going to be kind of like sped up so you can see faster. So it'll be a short like 5-minute video. But this is okay. This is the final product, the final look. I'm loving it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna start wearing makeup when I make my videos. I never hardly wear makeup, only when I'm going out. Only when I'm going out. Yes. But this is it. Bam. 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 Alright, so I hope y'all like it. Please let me know in the comments what y'all want to see. Like, I can't keep thinking of these ideas myself. No, I'm just playing. But y'all, let me know what y'all want to see for real. So I know, but let's keep watching. Bye. Alright, ladies and gents, so like I said before, the hair is from True Glory. I got it from their website, trueglory.com. I will link that down below in the description box, as well as the clips and the thread that I use to sew the hair to the, oh my goodness, to sew the hair to the clips. I will have all that down below. So this is the Indian 22-inch loose body wave. I bought 2 bundles, so I made clip-ins with 2 bundles. Right here I'm basically just taking one of the clips that I'm going to use first. I chose the clip with just the 2 clips. It's a smaller one because the back of my head is a little smaller than the mid portion of my head. As you can see, I just parted my hair with my fingernail. I didn't even use the comb. It does not have to be anything special because nobody is going to see your parts in the first place. So you know, this doesn't have to be perfect. I am taking about 1 inch in between parts. So like I said, the estimation does not have to be perfect. You're just going about 1 inch above, parting the hair just so it's enough space between the first clip, so that you're not like overlapping the clip. Because if you're trying to clip the clip on top of the other clip, because your part is like super close to the bottom part, then it's not going to clip. So you want to make sure that you have enough space in between those clips to ensure that the clip will actually clamp down on your hair and be secure so it does not fall out. And now that we've made it to the mid portion of the hair, this is the 3rd clip-in. This is the one with the 3 clamps on it because this is a longer, wider portion of the head. So this is when you'll use your longest clip-in. As you can see, installing these clip-ins are super easy. You know, anyone can do it. You're just separating the hair and clipping those clips onto your hair. There's nothing to it. I am so sorry. I was so hot. Like, I don't know why I've been so hot lately. I had to wipe the sweat from my face, girl. Child, I don't know what's going on, but I was so hot. But anyway, so now I'm just taking the 1 clip-in and clamping it right above that smaller portion above the ear, and I'm going to do that on the other side as well. These clip-ins are the clip-ins that I made in one of my previous videos, which I will link down below so you can go and watch that and see how I created these clip-ins. And this hair is very durable. Like, I've had this hair for about a year now, and I've already colored it twice. I've straightened it multiple times. I washed it multiple times. I conditioned it multiple times. So I would definitely give this hair a 10 because I am loving it. There's like no shedding, no tangling at all. Like, this is really some awesome hair. So I would definitely recommend it to anyone that's living in Atlanta. So I decided to have my part on the left side of my fat head. So I stopped adding clip-ins to the left side, and I'm now adding clip-ins to the right side, which is the more fuller side, so I can have a little more volume on that side, so you don't see the clip-ins on my left side. So everything can all blend in, and now you can just like play with your hair just to make sure it's all blending and looking perfect. So y'all can see how it looks. Comes like right here. From this side. See? Okay. So that's good, right? There's a little bit of better lighting, but this is the final product. So I didn't even put, like I said, I didn't even put in the last two because I'm just running like a quick errand. So this is it. It's still full, right? Yes. And I did dye my hair back black because I was just tired of the blonde. Like, it's nothing like my black hair. Like, I love my black hair. And my roots are like kind of sweated out. You see, I've been working out. 2019 New Year's resolutions. Hello. But yeah, this is it. So yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I need to think of some more ideas. But yeah, see. This is the True Glory hair. It was 22 inches. Yeah, 22 inches. And I'm 5'8", so this is pretty long. Like, when I straighten it, it comes all the way down to my butt bone. So this is actually some pretty long hair for it to be 22 inches because I thought I needed like 24, 26 since I'm 5'8", you know? But this 22 was like perfect, and this still kind of looks natural, you know, not like overdoing it. So yeah, that's how I put my clip-ins in. It's so simple. If you found this helpful, please let me know. I want to know your ideas, what y'all want me to do next, because it's been like a month since I posted. So yeah, like this video, share, comment, and I'll see y'all next time. Love you. Bye.